There's a trap in this binomial distribution question. Are you going to fall for it? Reading the question, we've got random variable x has a binomial probability distribution. Given that the probability of x equals 5 equals this, the mean and the standard deviation of x, correct to 2 decimal places, are respectively. Now, if you don't want to fall into traps when it comes to methods exams, then you need to practice more exam style questions. So if you go to Maths Methods Club and group the questions by binomial distribution and multiple choice, you're going to see all these exam style questions. Go through these ones, because that way you're going to be ready whatever examiners throw at you and you're not going to fall for their traps. So let's see if you can figure out the trap for this question. Now we need to work out the mean and the standard deviation of x, which is a binomial distribution. So we can say that the mean is equal to n times p, and the standard deviation is going to equal the square root of n times p times 1 minus p. So what we need to do now is work out the values of n and p. To do this, we're told that the probability of x is equal to 5 is this rule. We know that the probability of x is equal to x is equal to ncx p to the power of x times 1 minus p to the power of n minus x. And so if we want the probability that x is equal to 5, then we can write this as nc5 p to the power of 5 times 1 minus p to the power of n minus 5. And here's where the trap was. Notice that we've got p to the power of 5 here as the first term, but here it's in the second term. And so p is equal to 3 on 5. P does not equal to 2 on 5. And so we can say that p is equal to 3 on 5. And so how do we work out the value of n now? Well, we know that if you add this and this together, you're going to get the value of n. And so if we add the number 5 and the number 4, you're going to get the value of n. And so n is going to equal to 9. Now that we have the values of n and p, then we can say that the mean is equal to 9 times 3 on 5. And the standard deviation is going to equal 9 times 3 on 5 times 1 minus 3 on 5, which is 2 on 5. Chuck these numbers in your calculator, simplify, and you're going to get 5.4 and 1.47, which is option B.